Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well. And welcome to my YouTube channel English World Easy. This is Nikita and today I am telling to all of you. First of all, I have completed my 75 minutes daily task and this is my day 22 video of 75 days hard challenge of spoken English. Then in this video I am going to say to all of you first of all I learn within 20 days. In my experience I saw that is very important is translation. It's a main topic of English speaking. You don't know what you say, what you speak in English. You don't know what you speak in English in your mind instantly. First point, it's very important. It's very important. Every day 20 to 30 20 to every day 20 to 30 should we translate Hindi to English. And I also do this. If you start translate, then you automatic speak in English. Because it's a very important topic is translation Hindi to English daily wise. Okay, and that is very important. When you translate every day any sentence, first we choose simple sentence, then I promise you speak in English. You can speak in English one day. I know. At least 6 months. आपको थोड़ा धैर्य रखना पड़ेगा. आपको थोड़ा धैर्य रखना पड़ेगा इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए. Because I am also beginner and this is my day 22 and daily wise I completed my all topic: reading, speaking, writing, and listening. And I am a beginner, and please don't bad comment me, because one person in YouTube said me he he was said me you are idiot. Yes, I am idiot. Not a big deal. Okay, I am idiot. I know I am a beginner and I am every day trying better to better. So please don't bad comment. आपको सब्सक्राइब करना है कीजिए, नहीं करना है नहीं कीजिए, बट इट्स माई and I made YouTube only one dedication. I can every day speak in English because मेरा हैबिट बना रहे हैं. So thankful for all my friends and you daily wise try your English speaking because it is a very important our life around our surrounding. Okay, because competition is daily wise increases. Okay, you know, and English is very important every life. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Take care. Have a nice day.